My name is Becky, and I came to Living Water here in Boise, Idaho because I wanted to do a cleanse. And I signed up to do a 3-day cleanse. I'm going to sign up to do the 10-day because that's absolutely awesome, but that's not why I'm on video today. What I'm here to talk to you today about is my hip. In 1996, I was lifting weights. I was pressing about 300 pounds with my legs. And when I got up, I couldn't walk. I had such excruciating pain in my hip joint, my right hip. And I went to doctors. I had 3 MRIs done with orthograms, the x-rays. I went to several chiropractors only because I really believe what they do and still do. I went to physical therapy for 2 years straight and intermittent physical therapy since then. I mean, this is 2011, so it's been 15 years that I've been living with this pain. What it doesn't allow me to do is walk long distances, and by long distances I mean a block.